It's just for fun. I'm not too serious. Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And once in a while, you have a fun, kind of silly idea, and you're like, maybe I should move forward with spending money on patenting it, getting rights, selling the product. It's just a fun idea. Or is it? A lot of times, fun ideas are the most creative, and you're not heavy or burdened with a lot of, expectations about making money. They can actually turn into really, really cool financial, commercially successful ideas. And in some cases, they're inventions. You've come up with something that's novel, non-obvious, and is worthy of patent protection. So it's worth taking a look, even if it's just for fun. I've got a couple examples here we can go through in a bit. But the truth is, fun can still be valuable. I'll say it again, fun can still be valuable. And so don't just throw away or burn money if you come up with something that's also fun and valuable. All right, shift your perspective a little bit. Think about these examples and how it might fit up to what you're doing. Way back, Instagram filters. They originally were a side project, just a fun experiment using photo filters. And once they were eventually protected, they were a foundation of multi-billion-dollar platforms. They're also licensed out to Snapchat and other filters that you probably know, baked inside the hardware of iPhones, etc. All right, number 2, Angry Birds. Rovio, the company Rovio. If you played Angry Birds, it's a hilarious game. You fling birds across the screen. It was super popular. It went viral maybe 10 years ago. The game started as a playful experiment by a small team. They're protected game mechanics. They finally said, hey, this may make some money. And they turned just for fun into a global franchise. Last example is YouTube. The creators called product inventors. Many creators are just for fun. They make a video because they think it's cool and they show it off. And based on the following, based on the feedback from the public, once they post a video, they realize, oh my goodness, I'm onto something, and it can turn into real value. Now, there's some other situations that come up about disclosing inventions. And as a patent attorney, I do want to say, don't just go publish your invention without protecting it. And if you do, know that there is a 1-year limited grace period from when you first publish your invention, show it off on a video, from when you must file a patent application. So don't just think you can publish it and then years later come back and seek a patent on it. That will not be possible. So get hold of us if you have any questions about one of your fun ideas, projects that you thought, that's just a casual thing. If it's got some legs, if other people are interested, might be willing to pay you money for it, maybe it's worthy of patent protection. Get hold of us at boldpatents.com and book your free discovery call today. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.